Good afternoon, my name is Tom Noack, Marketing Manager at Premium Mounts. I would like to show you the latest products we introduced on the European market this year. One of them is our AM500, a XL mount, a large, super large mount for large displays up to 500 pounds and 103 inches in diameter. This mount is flexible, it moves very easily for recessed walls. It can be pulled in or it can be pulled out for service. And at the same time it also rotates into portrait mode if requested. So here's our AM500. It's a trolley that holds large displays up to 103 inches or 500 pounds, 250 kilos, has heavy duty casters, and you can also move it into a portrait orientation. Great for rental and staging, and we can move on to the next mount. Okay, here's our FPS 300, a great mount that allows us to slide a flat panel across a wall. It's motorized going up, and we have a track system with cable management that moves it back and forth, so I can easily slide it across a classroom or whiteboard environment to put in the right place, lifting it up into the right position for whoever wants to use or write on the whiteboard or the interactive flat panel. The same system can be used to extend the tracks. They come in 1.20 meter sections, and so it's pretty much unlimited as far as you go in order to install that mount. The LMV is one of our most integrated systems to build large video wall systems. It started all with a large installation at McCarran Airport in Las Vegas. That was a 100 screen video wall. It is fairly easy to install, individual frames behind the screen, and to install it we're using templates or spaces to modify it to any kind of display that's possibly needed. The screens feature a pull-out function, pulls it out, has fine-tune adjustment on the top here, and in all directions on all the screens allow us to create a even gap in between the screens of 1 millimeter, and the screen pops right in place. Long expected on the market, and now finally shipping is our AM100. Our super flat swing out mount. It has great features, like it has an extension of almost 70 centimeters. It swings all the way around and swings all the way to the other side. It has a tilting feature built in, and it collapses extremely flat to the wall. Okay, last but not least, this is our 3x3 video wall trolley, ideal for rental and staging, lobbies, corporate lobbies, and it allows us to mount screens from 46 to 55. It can hold obviously up to 500 kilos, and it moves around despite the heavy-duty mounts, and it moves around quite easily. Same heavy-duty casters, same base as all of our other heavy mount trolleys. The backside of our large video wall mount contains 3 pieces, with each of them can hold 3 mounts up to 55 inches in diagonal, and it has the same features as all of our video wall mounts: the fine-tune adjustment in order to adjust the frames with a maximum gap of 1 millimeter.